Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to introduce you to our 4-pack string light poles, perfect for transforming your outdoor space into a warm and romantic haven. Crafted from durable metal, these 9-foot poles are coated with black waterproof and rust-proof paint, ensuring they withstand the elements while providing reliable support for your string lights. Not just for lights, these versatile poles can also hold banners, flags, lanterns, and more, making them ideal for any occasion, from family gatherings to garden weddings. Installation is a breeze with the multi-section design and spiral center section, allowing you to quickly set up and enjoy the cozy ambiance without any hassle. Built to endure all seasons, these sturdy poles promise to keep your outdoor area illuminated and inviting, no matter the weather. Plus, with our comprehensive after-sales service and quality assurance, you can enjoy peace of mind knowing that support is just an email away. Let our string light poles add a touch of elegance and functionality to your outdoor living space, making every moment spent with family and friends truly memorable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.